Hey there, I'm Tyler Spades, and I have a trick of the week for you with triple stabs. So today I wanted to talk about the site swap pattern 4-2-3. Basically that just means we are doing, instead of a normal right hand, left hand style pattern, we're going to be going right hand, left hand, and then repeating right, left, right, left. This makes a big difference in normal toss juggling and all juggling patterns because it frees up your hand that's not juggling the two objects to do something else at the same time. You could leave it there, it's considered the two, but you can also activate and do some sort of flourish, do some sort of other trick. So first I'll show you an example in toss juggling, and then we'll get into on body placements and how we can also incorporate 4-2-3 style patterns into our chest cascade and normal on body juggling. So toss juggling, it would look like this. Right, left. So you can see at the end when I was doing that flourish through the pattern, that is my inactive hand, the two being activated to do something cool like a flourish through. I found two ways that are pretty simple to get it into your chest cascade. The first is just really trying hard to quickly do two shoulder placements during that and then switch sides. I find this to be the harder variation because you're not having a lot of time to send one, send the other. And so it kind of goes really quick, and you got to make sure you're moving this staff out of the way and putting it back on. But it would look like this. The other variation I found, which has a lot of different ways to do, and also makes that right, that pattern on the one side of your body longer, is by using your knee. If I lift up my knee and I let the staff go both over my shoulder, but then come down and also go over my knee, it comes back out the same side I started. And that pattern can use either your native side, right hand using right knee, or it also works the exact same using your non-native knee, going right hand, left knee. And it looks like this. So that was using my native side, right hand to right knee. Non-native would look like this.
On the Algerian coast.
And back to native.
Music.
So there you go, it kind of gives you a little bit of a marching feel. I'm curious what other 4-2-3 patterns you guys have, and what other things we can do throwing in other tricks and flourishes with the opposite hand. Some obvious ones I've played with is hand wraps, obviously. You could do shoulder wraps. I've also done half conveyor belts. You could just spin with the other hand. So please tag me in your videos of you doing 4-2-3s. Maybe you have a different variation of something you like to do. Some other ways. You can also sometimes get that knee variation without using your knee, just by letting it bounce off your chest and come back again by leaning really far back. You can also get some toss variations in there and just toss one out of the way. So it could be like right, left, right, left. So, show me what you got, and show me any of the variations we can do with flourishes.